Welcome to DJMT.
People, we greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJMTV. Make una do well to the follow us, like, share, and subscribe. Now here we dey bring all the ogbonge news they come your way. On today news, very dark man don come outside though, say they regret why he not do some kind things before late Junior Pope kpai. He don't talk say late Junior Pope message jam before all this incident happen. So about February, for inside February, now late John Pope message and say he wan see am, but he not take am serious because even the guy too be not still too serious. He talk deep about this matter. My people will not hear wetin very dark man talk.
Yesterday we were talking about Junior Pope, and then I told the guys here, I said Junior Pope actually sent me a DM. So I had to go look for the DM. He sent me the DM on the 23rd of February. And then once in the DM, he said, "Brother, how are you doing? I need to speak with you man to man. Something very, very urgent. Get back to me when you see this." So immediately I saw this DM, I screenshotted it and I did not reply. You understand? Now I regret it 100%. I regret it so much that I did not reply because of what the DM says. Because he literally said, "I need to speak with you man to man. Something very, very urgent." Man to man means that he does not want to talk to me on the phone. He does not want to send a message. He just wants to have a conversation. I don't know what the conversation might be, but now that when don't buy, I realized that it would have been a very serious conversation that maybe would have avoided anything. I don't know. And then he said it's very, very urgent. You understand? I didn't respond. I took a screenshot of it, and when I came back to this DM, he had deleted it. Now, why did I not respond? I did not respond because I don't like most of the celebrities in this country. Some of them try to farm me when they see me on the road and all that. And I've had experiences with one or two of them. And I know that most of them want to come close to me because of what I do. They might be scared, okay, this one he can't call me out tomorrow, so let me just try to be his friend, you know. And then immediately he sent the message. I told one of my guys, I said, "Junior Pope send me a message." You understand? Actually, I even told Kokopi. I said, "Junior Pope send me a message. I don't know why this guy is sending me a message, you know. But if you go delete him like Pere, you understand?" And truly deleted it, so I did not feel like it was serious, you understand? Until this thing happened, only God knows what Junior Pope won't tell me. And like I said, I regret them 100%. Now, this will be a reason for me to start looking into the case because, again, I don't really look plenty of the videos where they post, especially from the Stanley on top and the other guys. I watch all the videos. A lot of things didn't make sense. You understand? A lot of things didn't make sense. Like Stanley on top post saying David's the body, in go native doctor. You know, Stanley on top say carry and go native doctor instead of hospital. Why the other guy where they make confession say before them go the movie set saying call him mama, saying call him native doctor woman, that one say may they bring goats come, say may they do this one, say may they do that one, say they give him 100,000, as they give him 100,000 you know buy goats into this one. A lot of things didn't make any sense. And watching all the videos where they post, apart from the one where Junior Pope posts, every other video you know appear on top, a lot of things didn't make sense. You understand? A lot. At this point, I feel say, in my own opinion, I feel say there's more to waiting happen to the guy and waiting with the see. It's not just ordinary. There's negligence, but I feel say something off there about that. Now, I cannot go into it, you understand? And if I don't learn lesson from it happen to Mohbad, you understand? Now my front, and for front, I'll just talk. Because during the justice for Mohbad, right, based on how America they do their things, you see what happen, you ask for the test, because now I will tell you people the truth. Up to today, I don't know why everybody they para for DNA. The reason why I come up with DNA is because Mohbad said, you get one voice note where Mohbad saying wife the cheats. You understand? Yes, saying wife the cheat, saying wife F with so person, you know. You get how the voice note take be where make me get reason to suspect. Say, wait, what if this guy don't discover say they won't carry picking when no be won't give am? You understand? And I make them buy am. What if the girl true gets man and the secret lover arranged to buy Mohbad just to get the woman and to gain properties? Now, this is what I was calculating when I said, wait, if this boy can accuse his wife, that means they need to do DNA test. You understand? Not for any reason. And between you and I, nobody say DNA test be by anybody, right? But the way Nigerians use sentiment enter them, oh, very that man have been paid, this one, that one. up till today, right? The Naramali one that say, okay, now Impayam and the Sam Nari and the rest. Up till today, there's nothing that points to them directly. Do you understand? Do you understand? Like I said, if people want to hold them for bullying, you can go and file a case for bullying, start up a case. But if you truly want to find justice for Mohbad, you know the sentiment. But what am I trying to say? The justice for Mohbad don't teach me lesson. So I know they carry my mouth, go do investigation on all those kind of things. If it happen, it don't happen. You understand? So me, I know they talk on this Junior Pope incidents again. You understand? I don't want to go that far again. But I feel bad 100%.
My people, I don't want the video finish. Now that you're waiting very dark matter. This matter, it is well. Now that one we go talk for the matter. Now this how we carry can give you now. Make una do it to drop una comment for comment section, like and share this video. Until we meet again for another news, do it to stay safe. Una do. DJ